Hello everyone, welcome back to BuddyDevelopers. I'm Ritika. In today's video, we are starting a new series on building a directory website using Breakdance Builder and the GeoDirectory plugin. So let's get started. First, you will need a WordPress website. If you haven't set it up yet, check out our step-by-step video guide on how to create a WordPress website. It will walk you through everything you need to know. Once your website is ready, it's time to start building our directory website. In this video, I will guide you step by step on how to build it using the Breakdance Builder and GeoDirectory plugin. Coming on to the WordPress dashboard, then click on Plugin and then Add Plugins. Then in the search section, type GeoDirectory and we will install this plugin. After installation, activate it. The full setup of GeoDirectory is explained on our YouTube channel BuddyDevelopers. You can check out this playlist as from here this video GeoDirectory Introduction and Plugin Setup. Now we will be installing the Breakdance page builder. Breakdance is a fast and modern WordPress builder that helps you make professional websites quickly and easily compared to Elementor or Divi. It's lighter and faster, so your site loads better. The design area is simple for beginners to use, but it is also having powerful tools for developers. In short, Breakdance gives you everything you need to build websites without the extra clutter or slow speed of other page builders. To purchase it, follow our affiliate link from the video description. And we also have a bonus for you. Use the coupon code OXY20 at checkout to get 20% off on your first purchase. It's a great way to save while supporting our channel at the same time. We have already downloaded this plugin, so we will be uploading it from Upload plugin. So we will choose from here and upload it. Then click on Install now. After installation, click on Activate plugin. So now our both plugins, Breakdance and GeoDirectory, are activated. Now we will show to create header using these two plugins. For that, coming on to here Breakdance Builder, click on Header. Now click on Add Header to create a new header. Add title and then adding location, employee and changing nothing, and then click on Add Header. Now our header is created, which is also active. Edit in Breakdance and open it in New tab, and it will open on New tab. So click on this add icon from the left side. As you can see, there are so many blocks provided by the Breakdance builder. So we will be using them to create header. So first we will be taking a section and then taking columns from here. 2 column. To check layout, click on this 3-layer icon. Coming on to column settings and then click on size, taking width size 20%. So on the left side we will be adding a logo. So for that we will be taking an image block. So we will drag and drop it here. Then click on choose and then we will select logo from here, which we have already created from before through Canva. If you want to see how to create logo through Canva, then you can check out our YouTube channel for such videos. Now after choosing logo, we want to keep this column in center. So coming on to its size and then layout vertical and alignment center. Now in the right column we will be adding a menu. So for that, clicking on to the plus icon. Now search WP menu and then drag and drop it here. And we will be selecting a menu which we have already created from before. Its name is GD Dance menu. Now we want this menu to come on to the right side. So coming on to the column settings, click on its layout, then horizontal and alignment right. From top and bottom to 0. Padding. We will be doing the same thing for the left column. Top padding 0, bottom padding also 0, and its main section, and adding its spacing from top 20 and bottom also 20. Now we want our menu to look big, so selecting WP menu and then coming on to settings, then coming on to its desktop menu. Now coming on to style and then click on links and then typography, and then we will add size 18 pixel and then we will save it. So now to check the output, click on visit site and open it new tab. So now our header is ready. The logo is on left side and the menu is on right side. Now we will be creating the footer. So for this, coming on to the Breakdance and then footer, click on add new footer, adding title footer and then add footer. Open edit in Breakdance in new tab. So now from these blocks we will be adding a section and then we will be taking a column. We are taking 3 columns. In first section will be our logo, so we are taking image block, adding the logo. We will be also adding a text over here, so adding text field for it. We are adding here a dummy text, so we have pasted it here. So now in the second column we are adding headings, adding tags h5, adding up a new list over here. Now we will be adding menu over here. So we are adding some basic examples like home, about, contact, services. Let's add some margin, coming on to spacing and then margin 20. Now we will copy it from here and paste it here, editing its name to contacts. We can also add social media over here, so for that let's search it. Now we will add this icon of social media over here. Now adding spacing 20 from top. So let's take up a list. We will be adding this over icons and we are using it mostly for contact. Let's change its icon of calling. Now at bottom let's add email. Now let's add icon for email. So now we are done. It looks good now. Let's add some margin, coming on to spacing, then in margin adding it 20. Now let's save it. Coming on to the front end, let's refresh the page. So our header and footer are ready. We also provide WordPress development services, so if you need a customized theme or additional features for your website, we can help. To hire us, go to BuddyDevelopers.com and click on the Hire Us button. We will also add the link in the description below. You can also follow us on our other platforms. If you found this video informative, then do subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon and like this video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.